What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Pro Tip Tuesday. What I'm about to show you is actually going to change your life. I'm saying this because it literally changed mine. This is by far the easiest editing hack that will save you time, money, and speed up your process so much. So you're probably wondering, what is it? And I am talking about proxies. A proxy is basically a lower resolution file of your exact clip that you can edit with. Proxies make it so you can edit any footage on almost any computer, no matter how fast or slow. Finding out how to use proxies literally saved me thousands of dollars because I was almost about to upgrade my computer to a brand new Mac for about $6,000 and then found out about proxies, and now I don't even need to. I'm gonna keep this pretty short and to the point, so I'm gonna jump right into Premiere to show you guys how to do this. I just wanna start off by showing you which computer I'm using right now. So it's a 2012 Mac Pro that I bought for about $1,200. It's got decent specs, as you can see, but it's definitely not a spec'd out video editing computer or anything. It only has about 32 gigabytes of RAM. All right, so here's my footage. I already have it all sorted out. I have my drone footage, which is a Mavic Air, GH5 footage, and then Red Raven 4.5K footage. GH5 footage is 4K as well as the Mavic Air. I want to show you how slow this footage is if I just dragged it directly into my timeline. So here we go. I shot this in 4.5K 120 FPS. So let's see how slow this is if I just drag it into my timeline here and try to play it. So it's pretty choppy. There, it's completely paused. My computer really can't handle that. So trying to edit around like that would be almost impossible, take forever. I would get headaches, and you know how it goes. So here's how to fix that problem. We click on our clip right here. We right click it, we click proxy, and then create proxies. We just leave all the settings as is. It's 1024 by 540 H.264. It's gonna make a proxy folder next to all your original files, so you wanna have that selected, and then click OK. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna pull your clip up in Adobe Media Encoder. You do have to have the Creative Cloud suite for this to work. So all you do is you hit play, and then you wait as it proxies your clip out. Alright, so now the proxy is created, you'll just see under status, it'll say done and have a little green check mark. So now what you do is you go back into Premiere, and then it's already actually selected it. Let me undo that. And to add this little button here, your toggle proxies button, click the plus sign, and then toggle proxies is, I think, right there. Yep, toggle proxies, click that guy, click OK, and then it will add this to your project. So here's the slow footage. I'll play that again. See how just choppy and terrible that is. And now I click toggle proxies. I'm gonna play that clip again. Pretty much buttery smooth, and that is 4.5K red footage on my $1,200 computer. Look at that. That's with proxies, and then you can see my computer's already freaking out, and then this is without proxies. Yeah, so as you can see, this saves you a ton of time. So now what I would do is just select all my footage. Click the very top one, scroll down to the bottom, keep going, and then shift select, so it selects all of them. Do the same thing, proxy, create proxies, boom, and then it's gonna create all those proxies. It does take a while, so I usually do this overnight. I'll just load up all the footage into Adobe Media Encoder, and then I'll just have it run all night long, and then when I wake up the next morning, I'm ready to start editing, and the footage will just play buttery smooth. And all you do when you're done with your project, so say I have my proxied files here. So I edit the whole project out, I have my proxies. All I have to do, unselect, it'll go back to the original form of the file, and then I would render into out, and then export my project, and it's that simple. I'm gonna do the same thing with some DJI Mavic Air footage. So I'm gonna go into my drone, find the drone shot that I wanna use. As you can see, it's already being insanely slow. Come on. All right. So yeah, see how choppy that already is? Anyways, I'll just do the same thing. Gotta crop that a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna play it. See how choppy that is? Computer can't handle that 4K footage. I just go to the clip, right click, proxy, create proxies. Okay, it's gonna create that job. Pull up Adobe Media Encoder. There it is. And now it is rendering that proxy. Alright, so you have your proxy rendered out. Let's go back to Premiere Pro. Select Enable Proxies, and then now let's check this shot out. Look at that, much more manageable. I can just scrub right across there, no problem. It still looks like it lags a little bit, but I can still work with that. I could go check, in and out points, anything. Let's untoggle that, see the difference. Yeah, it's just like at least twice as slow. So that would be hard to work with. And it's as easy as that. I seriously feel like there should be more to it, but there's really not. I know it sounds a little bit exaggerated, but like I said, this hack literally changed my life. It sped up my workflow, it saved me a ton of money, and it just made editing overall way more fun. I'm stoked for you to work this pro tip into your editing process and just speed everything up. Hopefully it saves you a little bit of money because you can seriously edit red footage on a $500 computer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.